Hi, my name is Sarwesh and today I will show you how can you use Chat GPT directly in VS Code Editor. It will surely help you in debugging the codes faster. Let's start. Firstly, open VS Code Editor and search for Chat GPT in extension search bar. These are all the extensions that are available. Click on the extension named Chat GPT provided by Beto.ai. Install this extension by the button provided here. After installation you can see a new option available in Tool menu. Click on it, log in here using an email ID and follow the next steps. After successful login you will see this interface. You can see many options in drop-down menu here. All these tools will help in writing better codes, and understanding the codes of others properly. Now let's test this extension. Let's start with some simple Python code. Let's generate a bar graph for the world population using matplot library. Just give the prompt and let the code get generated. So this is the generated code. Copy this code, paste it in a new file and save it in a suitable location. Before saving, check for indentation in front of some lines. Now save the file in a suitable location, and then run the file. This is the generated graph from the code. This graph looks good with proper indication of year, population criterion etc. Now we can modify the code to make changes in the graph. Here I have added 2 lines in code. First is this death data, and second is the command to generate bar graph for year and death relation. Now let's run this code and see the generated output graph. This is the new generated graph. The graph is properly aligned with death data represented by orange color below the blue colored population data. You can make more changes in the graph to generate different output. This Chat GPT extension can be very helpful in writing complex codes if used properly. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and share this video with your techie friends.